Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind Adventures. So today I'm at Gilmore Car Museum. Got to show you these trucks. They're going to disappear in about 2 weeks. So I'm going to shoot the videos of these trucks before they leave. I don't know what's coming in here next, but it doesn't matter because they're going to be amazing vehicles, whatever comes in here next. So right here, this is, I think it's considered a pickup. A pickup, it's Corvair, and I'm going to read the description and shoot the video here for you. 1963 Chevrolet. See if I get the full thing in here. It's a tiny truck. It's pretty cool. And 1963 Chevrolet Corvair 95 ramp side pickup. The only pickup with a built-in side loading ramp. The Corvair 95 trucks. Their name delivered from 95-inch wheelbase in contrast to the passenger car's 108-inch wheelbase joined Chevrolet's lineup for the 1961 model year. Like the passenger cars, they featured rear-mounted air-cooled engines driving the rear wheels through a 3-speed synchro mesh transaxle. They offered more power than Volkswagen's pickups and could be had with Chevrolet's 2-speed Power Glide or 4-speed manual. The ramp side, here we go. The ramp side was designed to take more work out of the loading and unloading with an exclusive side ramp, and they could handle a payload of up to 3/4 of a ton. Driver comfort was also key, with roomy cab dimensions, with full width flat door and absence of engine heat and noise. The Corvair gave drivers all the ease and comfort they needed to work efficiently. Had 80 horsepower and was available for $2,200. I want to buy one right now. All right, thank you and have a nice sunny day.